I told last 2 days, this is the third edition and I'm attending all the time. This is one of the best experience possible. You know, I didn't feel like I'm in India as if you're in some NASA space mission. Picture to perfect execution, hospitality, academics, surgery, tele-surgery, live surgery, didactic session, even food, and then cultural event, venue, arrangements, hospital, beautiful. And the best thing I loved is the innovation park which setup you're done in the stall where everybody learned what is going to come in the future.
Surgeons always have to be in learning curve of something. As a surgeons, we cannot sit back. So my message would be to all the students, to all the senior surgeons, we have to be into robotics, we have to master it. So robotics, I always say, is no more the future, it is the present. And whosoever have at least some years of surgical practice left into them, they have to do robotics now.